Are you ready? There we have Kielder Water. Massive expanse of water in Forest Park. Largest man-made stretch of water in Europe, and has been for many years. But something you may not know is a tunnel scheme was done in 1975, 6-ish, 4, 5, 6, I can't remember the exact year, certainly amongst them, that brought tunnels from Kielder into Weardale, Stanhope area I believe, and all the way down to a place called Eggleston in Teesdale. And it was to drain the water from Kielder down into the Teesdale Valley to supply more water for the industry on Teesside.